Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can easily download YouTube videos in mobile. So simply in order to do this, just you have to open your YouTube app, and after that just here select the video that you want to download. So simply like I want to download this file, so simply just click here and now click on share button and just copy the link. Now you have to go to Google Chrome and just type here the website y2mate. So here you can see y2mate.com is available. Simply click here and after that just paste the copied link here, and now here you can see the all video formats available: 1080p, 720p, 480p. You can also download in mp3. So simply just you have to select the format that you want to download and after that click on download. So now click here on download.mp4. so now ad will appear here. So simply if you don't see the download option, simply just go back and again click on download. So in this way you can easily download YouTube videos in mobile.